Hi viewers, treating wrinkles on the face doesn't necessarily require a trip to the cosmetic surgeon or use expensive anti-aging products. This is an easy home remedy to get rid of facial wrinkles. If you do this remedy, you will look much younger and not see wrinkles for years. Best of all, it only uses natural ingredients and you can easily make it at home. But first, before starting the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to receive useful videos like this every day. To make the skin rejuvenating recipe, you need to prepare the first ingredient. It is a carrot. Carrot nourishes, tightens, and rejuvenates skin. Vitamin A and K presenting in carrot juice is an antioxidant that attacks free radicals and thereby prevents signs of aging like pigmentation, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Carrot also reduce the appearance of brown spots and other types of sun damage, as well as help boost healthy collagen products, which cause firmer skin and reduce inflammation and irritation. Now, prepare 1 carrot and cut it into small pieces. Then, put the carrot into a blender. Add 1 cup of water. Run the blender and blend until the carrot is well pulverized. Place a strainer or nut milk bag in your desired cup or bowl and pour in the blended carrots. Use a spoon and press to the pulp to squeeze as much liquid out of the strainer as possible. Don't throw the leftover pulp, add it into your smoothies or save it in the freezer to be used in other recipes. Let your carrot juice aside. Next, you need to make green tea to mix with carrot juice. Now use a green tea bag to do this. You can use loose leaves if desired. Put a green tea bag into a cup. If you use loose leaves, use 1 teaspoon of leaves. Then, fill the cup with 250 ml of hot water. Steep the tea for 3 to 5 minutes to dissolve the properties of green tea to the water. When mentioning anti-aging ingredients for the skin, green tea is definitely in the top 10. It is rich in antioxidants, easily available and affordable, and has multiple benefits when applied topically. Applying it on skin helps to delay aging, protect the skin from UV rays, and improve skin tone. Antioxidants presenting in green tea help prevent free radical damage and encourage healing of cells, which fight signs of premature aging like age spots, wrinkles, and sun damage. Green tea also acts as an astringent, which shrinks pores and helps to reduce the production of sebum. When applied on the skin around the eyes, it also helps ring blood vessels around the delicate eye area, alleviating swelling and puffiness. After 3 to 5 minutes, discard the tea bag and let green tea cool completely. When the green tea cools completely, pour it into the carrot juice and stir well. Last step, pour the mixture into your ice cube trays and place it in the freezer until it converts it into ice. Once the cubes are frozen, take the cubes out of the tray and wrap it in the soft wet cloth or any fabric that is gentle on your face. Wash your face and gently massage it over your face and neck until the ice cube has melted. After that, you can let the juice sit on your face for 10 to 15 minutes before rising. Use one ice cube daily to get a smooth and young skin.